What if the biggest lie you were ever told about growing your own food was that you needed a farm to do it? For decades, we've been conditioned to believe that agriculture belongs in the distance. But right now, in regular homes, apartments, garages, and small backyards, people are breaking that dependence. They are growing hundreds of pounds of high-quality food every single month. They're not just feeding themselves, they're supplying local restaurants, stocking grocery stores, and nourishing their entire communities. This is the new frontier of food. And the most shocking part? Some of them started with less than $50. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how they did it and how you can too. We're going to walk through 3 completely different systems that turn any space into a high-yield production facility: hydroponics, aquaponics, and mushroom cultivation. Look at your local grocery store. Most of what you see there traveled over 1,500 miles. It's old, it's nutrient deficient, and the supply chain is fragile. Traditional farming is dying. The soil is depleted, the climate is unpredictable, and the cost of land is prohibitive for anyone starting today. The barrier to entry is a wall. We've become passive consumers in a system designed for shelf life, not human health. But while most people see a crisis, a hidden network of growers sees an opportunity. When the shelves go empty, it's not because we lack food. It's because we lack localized systems. We've forgotten how to grow where we live, until now. Hidden away from the industrial complexes is a treasure trove of resilient genetics, seeds that don't need chemicals to survive, seeds that were almost lost to time. These are secret seeds. They aren't genetically modified, they're heritage survivors. They thrive in environments where modern commercial crops simply wither and die. One single seed can produce enough to feed a family for a week. And it doesn't need a tractor or a $1 million irrigation system. It just needs the right system. We are rediscovering the agricultural knowledge of the ancients and marrying it with modern technology. This is the hybrid future of self-sufficiency. Path 1. Hydroponics, the art of growing in water. By delivering nutrients directly to the roots, we bypass the limitations of depleted soil entirely. In a traditional garden, plants spend 80% of their energy searching for food in the dirt. In a hydroponic system, that energy goes straight into growth. This isn't just theory. We're seeing growth rates 10 times faster than soil. A crop that takes 4 months in a field is ready in just 6 weeks in a home system. You can grow vertically, stacking your production floor to ceiling. This allows you to produce 4 acres worth of food in the space of a single parking spot. The water is recirculated. We use 90% less water than traditional agriculture. It's a closed loop that protects our most precious resource. And because it's controlled, there are no weeds, no soil-borne pests, no back-breaking labor, just pure, efficient production of the highest quality greens. Path 2. Mushrooms, the silent earners of the underground. While others are fighting for sunlight, mushroom growers are thriving in the dark. Specialty mushrooms are some of the highest value crops on the planet. They grow on waste, sawdust, straw, even coffee grounds. We turn trash into gold. The process is scientific but accessible. It starts in a simple lab, a corner of your garage. 1 petri dish of mycelium can be expanded indefinitely. This is exponential growth. 1 pound of spawn creates 60 pounds of fresh mushrooms. At $20 a pound, you do the math. The margins are incredible. You can fit 1,000 pounds of monthly production into a standard double garage. This is high-density farming at its most profitable level. Chefs are desperate for local suppliers. The industrial stuff from overseas can't compare to mushrooms harvested 4 hours ago. Your product is your pitch. You're not just growing food, you're building a soil-less legacy. These systems are modular, scalable, and completely independent of the seasons. The demand for medicinal and gourmet mushrooms is skyrocketing. By starting now, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of a booming industry. Path 3. Aquaponics, the ultimate wild card. This is where we recreate the balance of nature in a tank, fish and plants working in perfect harmony. The fish produce the fertilizer, the bacteria transform it, the plants clean the water. It's the most efficient food production system ever devised by man. Nothing is wasted. No synthetic fertilizers are needed. It's a closed-loop ecosystem that produces both fresh protein and vibrant vegetables. An aquaponics system can produce enough to feed a family and have plenty left over to trade. It is the pinnacle of home-based self-sufficiency. When you see the life in the tank and the life in the beds, you realize this isn't just about food, it's about a relationship with the systems of life itself. This is resilient. This is productive. This is how we take our power back from the industrial giants who control our plates. But what happens when you decide to go big? That's where container farming changes the world. One container can generate 6 figures of revenue. These are turnkey farms, modular, climate-controlled, and indestructible. You can place them in a parking lot, a desert, or an Arctic tundra. Inside, it's a paradise of productivity. Every square inch is optimized for growth. We're talking about 1,500 pounds of greens every month. This is the industrialization of self-sufficiency. We are decentralizing the farm, bringing it to the heart of the city where the food is actually eaten. Imagine a city where every rooftop and parking lot is a farm, a city that feeds itself, regardless of what happens to the global supply chain. That's the vision. This is happening right now. It's not science fiction. It's the inevitable evolution of our food system. And it's more profitable than you ever imagined. You don't need to be a farmer. You need to be a system operator. Smart sensors and AI are now doing the heavy lifting for us. Light, water, and nutrients are managed 24/7. Your system will text you if it needs attention. It's the most high-tech hobby on Earth. Data is our fertilizer. We track every gram, every watt, and every drop. We are optimizing life itself for maximum abundance. This precision allows us to grow food that is more nutrient-dense and flavorful than anything found in a traditional supermarket. It's superior in every way. Don't believe me? Look at the chefs. They are the ultimate arbiters of quality. And they are all switching to local, hydroponic, and specialty-grown produce. The flavor profile is incomparable. The crunch, the vibrance, the life in every bite. This is the food our ancestors ate, rediscovered through modern systems. When you produce something this good, you don't need to sell. People will seek you out. You'll have a waiting list of neighbors and restaurants. We've seen growers start with 1 tray and be in business within 2 months. This is the fastest path to financial independence and food security. The numbers don't lie. Even at a small scale, these systems pay for themselves in months. After that, it's pure profit and pure health. This is how you build a recession-proof life, by owning the means of production for the one thing every human needs every single day: food. And let's not forget microgreens, the ultimate starter crop. You can grow these on your windowsill and harvest in 10 days. They are nutrient bombs, 40 times the vitamins of their full-grown counterparts. This is how you optimize your health in a square foot of space. Every sushi bar, steakhouse, and vegan restaurant needs microgreens. They are the garnish of choice for the modern culinary world. And you can provide them. We're also making these systems energy independent. Solar and wind are powering the next generation of home farms, true off-grid survival, sustainable water, sustainable energy, and sustainable food. This is the blueprint for a future that doesn't rely on a collapsing industrial grid. We are closing the loops. Waste becomes food. Food becomes life. We are creating islands of abundance in an ocean of scarcity. This is more than farming. It's a philosophy of living. It's about being a participant in the cycles of the earth, even in the middle of a city. And it brings us together. When you have abundance, you have something to trade. You have something to share. This is the foundation of community. We've seen urban neighborhoods transformed by a single container farm. It becomes a hub, a point of connection, a place where the myth of land is finally put to rest. We are teaching the next generation that their food doesn't come from a box. It comes from their hands. It comes from their systems. It comes from their curiosity. This is how we ensure a future of food freedom. By planting the seeds of knowledge today in the minds of those who will grow the world tomorrow. It's a journey the whole family can take. A way to reconnect with each other and with the life-giving power of the earth, right in your own home. We're even bringing the farm into the kitchen. Countertop systems that provide fresh herbs and greens at arm's reach. The ultimate luxury. This is the end of the grocery list. The end of wilting greens in the back of the fridge. Fresh, alive, and ready when you are. We use nature to protect nature. Ladybugs instead of pesticides. Beneficial bacteria instead of toxic chemicals. This is the cleanest food on Earth. It's an ecosystem that works for you. All you have to do is set it up and let the magic of life take over. It's easier than you've been told. We get creative, reusing what we have to build what we need. Cardboard, coffee grounds, and old egg cartons. These are the building blocks of our farms. This is low-cost, high-yield survival at its best. We are repurposing the waste of the old world to build the abundance of the new. Every spore is a potential harvest. Every print is a map to independence. We are mastering the unseen forces of nature to feed ourselves. This is true mastery. This is true freedom. When you can create life from a single spore and waste, you are truly independent. No one can control your plate. Every great thing starts small, a single seedling, a single spore, a single decision to try. Every person in this video started right where you are. They weren't experts. They didn't have land. They just had curiosity and the belief that there was a better way to live. And they were right. This is our manifesto. We believe in the right to grow. We believe in the power of localized systems. We believe in the future of food freedom. The myth of land is over. The reality of systems is here. You are the architect of your own abundance. The seeds are in your hands. Imagine a world where hunger is a memory because food grows everywhere we live. That world isn't coming. It's already here. You just have to step into it. So here is your roadmap. 3 paths to freedom: hydroponics, mushrooms, or aquaponics. Pick one. Start small, but start today. Spend $30 this weekend. Build that first system. Experience the thrill of your first harvest. It will change you forever. I guarantee it. Whether it's a tower in your backyard or a tray on your kitchen counter, you are joining a global movement of growers who are rewriting the future. Share what you learn. Share what you grow. Building this network is how we ensure that no one is ever left behind. Abundance is meant to be shared. Stay in the loop. Every week, we'll bring you more knowledge, more systems, and more success stories from the front lines of food freedom. Join us. The seeds you plant today are the freedom you'll harvest tomorrow. You have everything you need. You always did. Now, go grow something. If this speaks to you, subscribe. Join the community. Together, we are growing a new world. One seed, one system, one home at a time. The future is in your hands. Literally, the future is growing, and it's never looked better. We'll see you in the next one. Believe in the growth. Believe in the system. Believe in yourself. Start yours today. This is the beginning of everything.